What up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel all about travel and technology. Today I have an unboxing again. This is an unboxing of the Pixelbook Go, which I just received in the mail earlier today. Luckily, FedEx actually delivered this to the correct home, so thanks FedEx for getting this run right for once. And yeah, this is my first Pixelbook. I'm very excited about it. I have tested Chromebooks in the past, but this is the first one that I will be checking out from Google. Big thanks to Team Pixelbook for sending this over to me for a review and part of their influencer team. So I'm super excited about opening this up and seeing what's in here. I did notice that this is kind of heavy, so I don't think it's just a Pixelbook in here, but we're gonna find out. I know that the new Pixelbook Go is only like 2 pounds or 2.3 pounds, something like that, so this one seems a little bit more heavy than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what's in here. We're gonna find out together. Okay, we have a box inside of a box. This is the box inside of a box. It features, on the sides it says, Pixelbook Go is here to help you turn ambition into action. There's a little postcard on the front. I will read this to you. It says, "It is time to start turning ambition into action with your new Pixelbook Go. To kick off using your new device, take on the Pixelbook Go challenge." How does it work? Select 2 of the challenges on the back of this card, tag Pixelbook Go, and poll your audience to see which one they want to see you complete. Within 48 hours following your poll, capture content utilizing Pixelbook Go to help you complete the challenge. To submit your final entry, tag Pixelbook Go with your in-feed Instagram post or story. All submissions will enter you to receive a unique Google prize. So on the back of it, it gives me a bunch of options to be a part of this thing, this competition, I guess. Write something meaningful in 12 hours. Work somewhere other than your office. Plan your PTO with Google Assistant. I don't get PTO because I'm self-employed. If only, that would be nice. Perfect your to-do list. Perfect your resume. Hush hush. Ooh. That means find somewhere that requires you to work quietly, like a library, train, etc. Okay, so I have seen people work on the BART and they are talking on their phones, they are typing away, they're listening to movies, everything with the volume up, so I know that people are not being hush-hush, at least on Bay Area Rapid Transit, so even though they should, because it's really rude. Get a 5-second video of you using the hushed keys to get your work done. Edit your headshot using Adobe Lightroom. Edit your headshot to reflect your personality and share a screenshot. I do have a new headshot, I could do that one. Edit your next 5 pieces of content using Adobe Lightroom. Edit your next 5 Instagram posts and share your creative process. They're very heavy on the Instagram posts here. Maybe I need to up my Instagram game because I'm very much on Twitter and I'm involved on YouTube. Not so much on Instagram. I have not figured that out, and I feel like it's getting kind of old now because TikTok's the theme now, but whatever. Okay, so that's the postcard. I will, I guess I'll be asking y'all which one you want me to do so I can be a part of the challenge. I don't know which ones I should do, but pray for me. Hopefully it goes well. Let's open the box. I feel fabric already. Ooh! Okay, I was right. It's not just the Pixelbook Go which is in here. There's also other things. So I have a Pixelbook Go user guide. This user guide is included to show me all the tech specs about the product and how to use it, which will actually probably be quite useful since this is my first Pixelbook. Now this is kind of cool. I'm pretty happy that they decided to include these so that I actually have a way to carry my Pixelbook Go somewhere. First thing in here is a magnetic closure, looks like just a little envelope for the Pixelbook Go. So I can slip my Pixelbook Go inside of here and take it with me wherever I'm going. It's nicely padded on the sides, which is cool. I like the nice gray cover. This is by a company called Bellroy, looks like. And it also says made for Google on the inside. The inside is kind of like a microfiber type of cloth, padded on the 2 sides, and that will keep the Pixelbook Go pretty safe, I believe, so it won't get scuffed up whenever I am sliding it into this tote bag. Wait a minute, there's nothing under the oh, okay. For a second I took the tote bag out and I was like, but that's it. That's all you get. There is no Pixelbook Go. You don't get one. You get the bag and you get the little slip for your non-existent Pixelbook Go. But I'm just kidding. They actually packed it underneath. So there is one in here. So this is a nice tote bag by the same company called Bellroy. It says, because plastic bottles are better in bag form. That's cool. Made from recycled plastic bottles. That's awesome. Very nice job, Bellroy. I like it. And it looks like a nicely sized one. I could take this with me tonight. I'm going to a press event. I should totally take this into the city. Plenty of room. That's nice. Lots of compartments too. That's really cool. I like that it has lots of different compartments so I can put all my things inside of here. This thing also has a zipper compartment and lots of organizational areas for me to put all my things in, which I appreciate. There's a little keychain loop. Oh, you can put your keys in there, I guess. Okay, cool. So that is the tote bag. But now we have the part everybody's waiting for. The Pixelbook Go. Ta-da! I'm sorry, it's shiny. It's the plastic. I'll rip off the plastic. I got the Pixelbook Go. It looks like this one comes with the 8th gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD, Chrome OS, and the full HD display. So this is not the top of the line Pixelbook Go. This one looks like it is the middle ground one, so I'll have to check the price. I know that they go anywhere between $649 up to like $13.99, but don't quote me because I'm just speaking from memory from the event, and that event happened like last week, so I might be incorrect on the prices. But I also know that they start at a like M chipset CPU, and they go up to a Intel 8th gen i7, I want to say, and they also have more storage available too. So this one seems to be the middle ground. I am glad that it's a step up from the lowest CPU because I do intend to do editing on here with Adobe Rush, and I also intend to do Adobe Lightroom and photography edits on here, as well as some other workhorse type of involvement. I also want to find out if it can run Linux, so I'm definitely going to see if I can hack it, because why not? When I open this, it looks like it came in black, which I'm totally down with. We have a plastic cover on it. Included next to the Pixelbook Go is a Let's Get Started little pamphlet. There's also a couple of stickers. There's a little hashtag Pixelbook sticker, very cute. It looks like this device accepts USB-C for charging, which is great. And there's also a pretty decently sized brick in the box as well. And this is a, what does that say? So this AC adapter, the input is 100 to 240 volts, 1.2 amps, 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 5, 9, 12, or 15 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, 2.5 amps. So you have lots of options there, which is also pretty nice. I will make sure that I use this device and I charge it up and I give you the whole battery specs and everything before I give you the review on this Pixelbook Go. So I will definitely get around to that. But first, let's go ahead and look at the Pixelbook Go. It's a fully magnesium laptop. It's about 2.5 pounds. There is some fluff chilling up here. Why is there fluff? Oh, and it's powering on already. Look at that. How cute. It is very lightweight. That's pretty cool. This looks really fun. Okay, I can tell why they call these hush keys. That'll be interesting to use. I'm so used to using mechanical keyboards, like I even have a gaming laptop, so switching over to something that's more of like hush keys with not a lot of travel is going to be very interesting. I'll let you know how that goes. I see speakers on the front, and it looks like this is that a glass touchpad? No, I think it's plastic. I'll check. I'll look into it. And then I think this is, oh yeah, it's touchscreen. Oh, that's great. But it doesn't work with the Pixelbook pen. That's kind of weird. Yeah, so I'm interested in seeing how this thing works. Looks like you get 2 USB ports, which is also cool. I'm excited. I haven't had a laptop that is less than 4 pounds in a very long time, and it's because I usually have to get something that's like has a you know, full-scale GPU so that I can do video edits in 4K and play video games on the go and stuff like that. So this will be really fun and interesting to go from a gaming laptop to a Chromebook, a Pixelbook Go. I'm very interested in it. I can't wait to do my review, and I can't wait to try editing on this thing too as far as video goes. It'll be really interesting to see if this thing influences my current workflow whenever I'm doing my day-to-day edits and scheduling and all those processes that are involved with producing content. I want this to be a video content production machine, but we will see if that can actually happen. So I'm very curious to see if you have any questions regarding the new Google Pixelbook Go. If you do, leave them down in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer those during my review. I also wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who supports me on buymeacoffee.com as well as patreon.com. This week I have a few shout outs for you. This week on buymeacoffee.com/snubs, at Narfpoit Jack, Ken, Marcus, and Ray all bought me a coffee. So thank you so much to each and every one of you for hitting up my Buy Me a Coffee link. And then patreon.com/Shannon Morse is where you can get access to high resolution digital photography that I take on my travels, as well as a slew of other extras. So this week I wanted to say thank you so much to David, Gareth, and Sam for your support. So thank you so much for hitting up my Patreon link. I appreciate each and every one of you. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not be able to do this kind of content. So thank you so much. All right, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have your notifications turned on, let me know if you are part of my notification squad. I can't believe I just said that. I sound like such a dork. I think that's about it. So thank you again to my s'mores. I'm Shannon Morse. I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.